You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English, but also we'll look at how it's said in French, and because it's quite important to get it right. Pronounced in English as degustation. Now, in French it's pronounced dégustation. So if you want to make it more sophisticated, say dégustation. But in English, the correct pronunciation, by the way, if you want to learn wine names, you found the right channel. Absolutely stay tuned and watch more videos on how to pronounce wine names. In English, as I said, it's pronounced as degustation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.